So the lens of this is fallen off some time ago, and apparently you're supposed to go in through the wheel arch, take the whole wheel arch liner off and go in through the back, so there's clips on the inside. I'm lazy, I'm not going to do that, so I've got a couple of eBay replacements which look to be identical. I mean, also because I'm a special kind of stupid, I sort of pulled that one off trying to get it out, so I've got two replacements. Yeah, I reckon you should just be able to manoeuvre it out like that. In typical old plastic fashion, if you're pushing that down and it's not releasing, you can see the little tab on the inside. Get something sharp, poke it in there, lift it up manually, and she'll pop right out. Worth mentioning, these are clear lenses, you gotta have orange bulbs. They're a cheap enough thing to grab. Just check what the new ones come with. Yeah, as expected, so that's a clear one. Swap the orange one over, easy job. Always check before you refit, just in case. Fittings opposite removal, one end in, clips in, sorted.